9 hikers were found dead on a Russian mountain, their eyes missing, and their tent ripped open from the inside.
They'd cut their way out, barefoot in the snow. Temperatures below -30. No sign of struggle, no footprints, except their own. When rescuers arrived, they found the campsite silent, the tent shredded, the snow stained with something dark, and a camera still running, buried in frost. Some bodies were half-dressed, others burned as if from radiation, their faces frozen in terror, eyes gone, tongues missing, like they'd seen something no human should. Locals said the sky that night glowed strange, green, orange, as if the mountain itself was alive, watching. They called it the Dyatlov Pass Incident. No one survived. No one knows what chased them into the snow. Some say it still waits, up there, under the northern lights.